Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Company of Heroes 3 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, and next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, under general, in the launch option you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -D3D11 and now check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now under here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you have installed any antivirus program on your PC, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates option. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background apps. For that, go to the search option. Now search for task manager. Under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. Open it. You will get a repair or install option. So click on repair and wait for some time. Once it is over, now restart your PC and again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and again launch Steam, and finally reinstall Company of Heroes 3 game, and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Company of Heroes 3 game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.